Let me discuss about Class 6 Science, Chapter 1, Food, where does it come from? We know that all living organisms need food to grow, to get energy and to remain healthy. People in different regions of India cook differently and the food culture also is different. Think about rice cooked at home. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. That is, the ingredients we need are rice and water. Some food items need many ingredients to prepare. Then, what are ingredients? Ingredients are the materials needed to prepare a dish or food item. What are ingredients? Ingredients are materials needed to prepare a dish or food item. One example, the food item that is chapati. The ingredients needed are atta and water. Then another food item, idli. The food item we needed, that is rice, dal, salt and water. Then from where do these ingredients come from? We get these ingredients mostly from plants and animals. The food item idli, we know that what are the ingredients needed? Rice, dal, salt and water. And the sources of these ingredients, that rice is from plant, that dal also is from plant, then salt and water we are getting it from earth. Then another food item, that is chicken curry. The ingredients needed are chicken, then spices, then oil or ghee, then water. And from where we will get these ingredients? What are the sources of these ingredients? Chicken that we get from an animal, spices that we get that from plants, then oil or ghee that also is getting either from plant or from animal, then water that is from earth. Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, fruits, etc. Animals provide us with milk products, meat, eggs, etc. Cow, goat, buffaloes are animals which give us milk. Milk and milk products are used all over the world. Next we have to study plant parts and animal products as food. Plants are one main source of our food. We eat leafy vegetables, fruits, roots, stems and flowers of some plants. Some plants have 2 or more edible parts. That means edible parts means eatable parts. In some plants, from some plants we will get 2 or more edible parts. We know that seeds of mustard plant, its seeds are edible parts and also the seeds are giving us oil and the leaves are used as a leafy vegetable like that. Sugar cane, the edible part is its stem. Ginger, the edible part is its stem. Then like that brinjal, its fruit is the edible part. Like that different edible parts are there. One food item, that is brinjal curry. We know that what are the ingredients needed for making brinjal curry? Brinjal, then chilli, oil from groundnut or from mustard. Then which are the plant parts gives us these ingredients? The brinjal, the plant part which gives this ingredient is its fruit. Chilli also its fruit. Then groundnut oil or mustard oil, it is from the seed of that plant. Next we can do an activity. We have to keep some dry pea seeds in water and soak it in water for a night, and next day we have to drain that water and keep that pea seeds in a wet cloth. After some hours we can see small white colored substance is coming from the seed. That means it is sprouted. This sprouted pea we can wash and eat. It is a nutritious food. At the same time, we can boil it and add some spices. Then it is very tasty to eat. So in that way also we can eat these pea seeds. Do you know from where this honey comes from? We get this honey from bees. Bees collect nectar from flowers and convert it into honey and store it in their hives. Honey is sweet to taste and it is a nutritious material. It is also used for medicinal purposes. Then, next one, what do animals eat? Based on the food what they eat, all the animals are classified into herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. What are herbivores? Herbivores are the animals which eat plants and plant products. Example, cow, goat, buffalo, etc. Carnivores means the animals which eat the flesh of other animals. Example, tiger, lion, etc. Omnivores means the animals which eat both plants and animals. Example, crow, bear, dog, cat, etc. They are all omnivorous animals. So now again I will show you what are the points I told you now. All living organisms need food to grow, to get energy and to remain healthy. The ingredients are the materials needed to prepare a dish or food item. Example, chapati, the ingredients are using atta and water. Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. Animals like hen, cow, goat, buffaloes, etc. They provide eggs, milk, meat, products, etc. Then food materials, the food item, that is food item is idli. The main ingredients are rice, dal, salt, water, and the sources are rice from plant, dal also from plant, salt and water from earth. Then plant parts and animal products as food. The edible parts, that is eatable parts of plants, include leaves, roots, stems and flowers. Example, the edible parts of mustard plant is its seed and leaves, brinjal its fruit, spinach leaves, sugarcane stem. Then how we get that honey? Bees collect nectar from flowers and convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Then what do animals eat? Animals are classified to herbivores, carnivores and omnivores based on what they eat. Herbivores are plant eaters and they are taking plant and plant products as food. Example, cow, goat. Carnivores, they eat flesh of other animals. Example, lion, tiger. Then omnivores, they are the organisms which eat both plants and animals. Example, bear, crow. Now you have to answer the following questions. First one, what are ingredients? Give example. Write the edible parts of any 5 plants. Distinguish between herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Write the ingredients and sources of any one food item.